Welcome to another edition with my channel, Faroma. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like and subscribe to this channel. We put in a lot of tips and tricks and tips with the video editing and other things that's going around me. So today I'm going to show you how we can superimpose a video into another video, making it work like a part and parcel of a scene. So first things first, here we have the Adobe Premiere Pro, and what we'll do is we'll create a new scene. I already created one earlier, but I'm going to create another one here. I'm going to call this second one main number 2. I've rendered this out as a custom sequence, 4K sequence of 3840 to 160 24 frames a second. So I'm going to create that. I've already have a previous footage of the video, or the original background video. So I'm just gonna drag this into the scene, and I'm gonna just pop it in there like so. Oops, put a source clip there. Oops. And I'm going to put it right there. So now we have the source clip here. Now Adobe Premiere Pro has a very basic tracking system, which is not as good as the After Effects version. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit this video in as a After Effects composition, and you see automatically it brings it in here. In the After Effects screen dashboard, we've already imported the footage, nested sequence in this case, and I'm going to now track this using Mocha. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for the Mocha effect and drag it onto your footage, right? So it's only one over there. I'm going to delete one of them. And then in here, make sure you click on Mocha. Wait for Mocha to load. So now we have the Mocha screen up here. So first things first, what you need to do is select the spline tool up here and set up the area in which we want to track our data. In this case, it's the 4 corners of this frame. Now, it's best to find a high contrast point so that it's easier for the software to discern the location of your data. Next bit is to make sure you select the spline tool, turn it on, just up in the corner there, drag the points across to the corner of the screen which you want to capture. In this case, it's these corners here. So I'm going to drag them there like so. Once you're happy with that, make sure you turn on perspective. Now I'm not going to track all the way to the end. I just want to stop the tracking right somewhere there, right? And then I'm going to track this layer right now. So just hit the track button there and let Mocha do its job. So it will take a while, and in the meantime I will just let it run. At the After Effects editing screen, and in here you'll see that I have created the data by clicking on the create data, and all the data has been created here. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to also put a bit of feather, maybe around 28, 27, that should be fine, on the particular tracking information. If you see, they have the points there. So this is where the video which I'm going to put on top will be sitting. So I'm going to drag the video which I'm going to use. In this case, it's waterfall scene. Put it on top, right? Now, so I want to make sure that the anchor point for the information here is the same as the one in the video. I'm going to select the anchor point and then Command C or Control C on your Windows. For Mac, it's Command C. I select the scene there, I paste it. So now if I have a look at the anchor points, it's the same. So that in that way it's easier for it to track. Now I'm going back to the nested sequence here, going into the effects panel, and in here I'm going to set the export option to say corner pin, and I'm going to select the video of the waterfall as the tool. I'm going to select apply, and automatically, if you see on the screen, the video is not pinned onto the painting. So once you're happy with that, you've already tracked that, it's all done. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to close the project. Now we are back at the Premiere Pro panel. So currently it's not refreshed yet. So what we're going to do is, there you go. Now it has refreshed. If you notice, the scene has changed and it's not having the waterfall as the painting. So what I normally do in this case, if you notice the red line on top of this sequence, it means that it has not been rendered yet. So I'm going to render this right now, and it will take a while, so let's just wait. Now the render has been completed. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some embellishments onto the video. So if you have a look at the video now, it's been rendered. So if you have a look, it's just the video moving with a waterfall image at the back there running. There's a background in the painting. So in video production, what sells and what makes a video even more interesting is to add some sound effects. So I've got some sound effects here with regards to the waterfall. So I have a waterfall sound effect which I'm going to drag and drop it into here like so. Now I'm going to cut the waterfall sound effect just at the end of the video. So now we have a sound effect of the waterfall coming in. So I'm going to change the effect to this effect, and I'm going to say it's make it a medium shot, and I'm going to go back to the side here and let it run. So if you hear, that is the sound of the waterfall coming from the painting. Now another important thing in video production is to include some background music. I've already downloaded the background music. Incidentally, all my sound effects and my stock footage are from Envato Elements. They provide one of the best stock footage, music, studio effects, everything you need for your creative production. So I've got this particular background sound for the waterfall. Now, one thing good at Premiere Pro, once I set as music, I can adjust the, I can use this duration adjustment. I can just stretch the song or reduce it. In this case, I'll reduce it a tad, just to let it fit to exactly the size of the video. So I got it like so, and I'm going to change the song into a background music. So again, it's re-registered itself, so I'm going to bring it back down a bit more, tad, just maybe a bit more. There we go. Oops, too much. Extend it by a bit. There we go. So I've done that. Once I've done that, now if you listen to this, it's going to be interesting. So there you go. So make it even nicer. I'm going to add some color grading, and I'm going to just do some editing like such, and I'm going to bring the effects down as a fade away, and I'm going to add an adjustment layer to create a color grading. Right, now that's finished rendering and color grading. Let's have a look how it looks like now. Right, that's nice. So next thing to do is export this footage, and let's enjoy it. That's it for now. I'll catch you again sometime in the future for another episode, another session of editing videos. See you soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button at the bottom, like this video, and share it if you can. See you on the other side. Thank you for watching.